Hi guys, welcome back to this video. I'll be showing you how you can claim a $15 credit account, a $15 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading without stress. You don't have to make a deposit to get this particular account. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out. Now, the first thing you want to do as usual is to click on the link in the description of the video. Go ahead and get the link to this broker, to this website, then get started, register an account with them. So the first thing you want to be doing is to create an account with them. As you can see, all you have to do is just create an account with them, put in your title, first name, last name, birth name, fill in all the details that you need to do, accept their terms and conditions and policy right here, then you click on continue. As you can see right here, so after registering an account with them, the next thing you want to do now is to input the confirmation pin that they sent to you to your email. As you can see showing on the screen, this is the confirmation email that I got from them. This is the pin number, so I'm going to copy it and paste the pin right here. Click on continue, so we can head to where we will get this particular $15 no deposit bonus account. Now then you get to this interface right showing on the screen. Now after registering an account, this is what we'll be getting in your dashboard, as you can see right here. So this is the $15 that we'll be getting. So the first thing you want to do now is to click on this dashboard right here. Click on dashboard, click on account. As you can see, I'm going to click on account, then you click on open live account. Click on open live account. Then after clicking on open live account, this is what you'll be having on your screen, as you can see right here. So now the next thing you want to do now is to click on select category. As you can see, your Cattle Prime MetaTrader 5. This is all you need to do. Click on Cattle Prime MetaTrader 5 and you click on continue. Meta 5 standard account, as you can see, that's what you'll be picking. Then you click on continue. You click on continue. As you can see, click on continue. As you can see right showing on the screen, my account has been created. Here I have my login details, as you can see, that I'll be using to trade in my MetaTrader 5. As you can see right here, it will also be sent to you to your email. So now let's get to the main place how you are going to be getting this particular account. What you have to do is you'll be needing this coupon code right here. This coupon code, you'll be needing it to get this particular account. Now as you can see right here, the account is going to end 5th of June. As you can see, from 4th to 5th of June, that's this account to be ending tomorrow. So you need to be very fast to claim this particular account. So I'm trying to make it fast. So now the next step you want to do is to click on it. When you tap on this account right here, you tap on it. After tapping on it, you scroll down, and here this is what you'll be having showing on your screen. You click on this gift icon right here. You click on it. Then after clicking on it, as you can see, you have to apply your promo code. Now if you scroll down, you see that the promo code is QE4T2M. So you are going to click on it. So you are going to click on apply right here. You click on apply showing on the screen. So the next thing you are going to do is to tap on it. You are going to tap on this standard account. Then you click on confirm redemption, as you can see here. Then your funds and will disbursed. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on done, and your login details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5 will be sent to you. As you can see, you have earned the total of $15 account. So this is the login details that you're using to trade in your MetaTrader 5. All you have to do is just copy, then head to your server. As you can see, Cattle Prime Live. Copy your code and head to your MetaTrader 5 and get started with trading. So this is my MetaTrader 5. I'm going to go ahead and search for the broker, which is Cattle Prime. You click on it, put in your login details right here. So this is me after putting my login details. Go ahead and click on login. So you click on login, as you can see. click on trade, and you have your $15 account right here showing on the screen. This is your $15 showing on the screen. All you have to do is just start trading. Get started with trading. Now this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.